How to trade on Bybit, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to trade using bybit.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to bybit.com and you will land right here on this platform. Bybit is a world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Here we have a lot of different options such as buying crypto. We have a huge marketplace, trading options, derivatives, earn finance, and NFT marketplace. Today I'll show you all of the different options and tools available. So let's get into it. First of all, to trade on Bybit, you require an account. So you can create an account with your email address, or you can get started with your Google account. Once your account is created, this is where you will get. You can see I have logged into my Bybit account. Here you can see we have the trade option, or you can go to the trade option right here at the top, and we have spot trading available, margin trading, leverage tokens, trading bots, launchpad, and buy bots. So we have spot trading, margin trading, and we have their own marketplace available, and then leverage trading, trading bots. I'll show you these one by one. Let's get into the spot trading. So you will just select the option and it will take you to the spot trading window. Here I will be able to show you everything you need to know. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling, involves a high degree of risk, whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure you truly understand crypto trading, then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for bybit.com. So you can see we have to select our pair first on Bybit. So you can select your coin. I am going with USDT as my main network, and then we have different coins. We have BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Doji, and others. Then you can select right from here too, and you will find all of the different tokens with on your chain here. We have margin trading, DeFi, NFT, and Metaverse available. So I have selected BTC and USDT. This is the live price for the coin that we have selected. So we have 24-hour high, 24-hour change, 24-hour low, 24-hour turnover in USDT. It totally depends on the pair that you have selected right here. Then we have our order book, and this is where we do the trading. In here, I will be able to show you the spot trading, margin trading, and the trading bots. These are the three options that we use a lot when it comes to the trading on Bybit. This is our trading window right here, and this is our chart. How to read a trading chart? It's actually really easy. You can first select the view if you want to go for bars, candles area, or hollow candles. I'm going with candle, chart right here. Then we have to select the times. I'm going with daily. I have selected 1 day, which is going to be 24 hours. So you can see right here, this is our graph for this pair right here that we have selected, and these are all the values. We can also add different indicators if we want, and then we have to select standard or trading view or depth views. I'm going to actually switch to the trading view on Bybit. Once you do that, then you can also select log or auto from here, and you will be able to read the chart. Now it depends on you that how you read it. Of course, you will require some basic knowledge about the trading of crypto, and then you can get started with Bybit. On Bybit, we also have some of the other options available, such as different tools to use on our chart right here. We can also expand the view. We have depth view available too. So you actually kind of like read your chart here, and once you have decided to actually do the trading in this pair that you have selected, you can also check out the order book. We have recent trades, and we have price, quantity, and total. This is where you will work. So here you can see we have, first of all, we have trading board, margin data, or user guides. We're gonna just select the spot trading first. Switch to spot trading right here, and then we have two options, buy or sell. So if you want to buy, then you will select this option. If you want to sell, you will select this one. I'm gonna go with the buy. Then we have to select the market. If we want to go for a market, limit, or we have some of the other options available such as TPSL. So I'm going to go with a limit right here. Moving on, we have our available balance. So this is going to be the balance of your wallet on Bybit. So you can check your wallet from here, assets, and you can actually buy crypto by this option right here. You can buy crypto with one-click buy, P2P trading, 5 deposits, and then we have the crypto deposit. So what you will do is you will be able to find the balance right here. Then we have order price and quantity. So this is where you will enter your parameters, your details about the trading, like what order price you want to go for and what quantity. Then you can select the percentage from here if you want it to be 0%, 25%, then we have 50%, and so on. Then we have order value. It's going to be in USDT and you will enter the amount here. Why it's in USDT? Because I have selected BTC and USDT for my pair. Moving on, we have the two tokens available for the Bitcoin that I have selected. So you can go for the tokens as well. And then we have our assets. Again, these are assets in my wallet, in my balance right here. So this is where you will be able to buy. Once you've added all the parameters, click on this buy BTC option, which is the green option right here. Click on it and you will be able to trade in this pair. You will also be able to find the trading history in past orders right here. If I take you back up, we have the sell option. In sell, again, you just have to enter all the parameters, click on the sell BTC and you will be able to do so. So this is like the spot trading, the easiest way here. Then you can switch to the margin trading and you can just click on acknowledge and agree. All of the tradings right here on Bybit involve a high degree of risk, of course, because it's crypto trading and you need to understand it first. You can also access the margin trading from here, but I'm gonna just switch to this option. With margin, now we have the long or short option. So you can either select long from here and then you can select your market. I'm gonna go with limit. Enter the order price, quantity. It's actually really easy and very similar to the spot trading options. You scroll down a little bit to buy long BTC right here, and then we have the short option as well. Switch to the short and it will take you here. Then you will get the option of sell short. So you will be buying long and selling short with the margin trading on Bybit. This is how you will just buy the crypto and sell, and this is what the trading will be. Similarly, we have the trading bots. What is a trading bot? Well, trading bot helps us to trade easily and it automates our work. And this is actually a new update that we see in our trading, community, that we can create bots to help us trade. For example, this bot right here, which is the spot grid bot, 0 fee with the bot, buy low and sell high automatically, ideal for a sideways market. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create now and it will take you to your bot creation. So we have to select a spot pair first. This is going to be the spot grid bot. What happens is you have read the chart, you want to do the spot trading. Now what we will do is we will select a bot, give it a range that this is the lowest range, this is the highest range. What the bot will do is it will just buy on low prices and sell when it's higher prices. So that's what the bot will do. Select a spot pair. So I have selected, let's go with a bit in USDT. Then you have to enter your grid parameters and you will enter it like so. I have entered 0.4 USDT for this one. This is my price range. Number of grids is going to be 22. Interval is going to be 0.03 USDT for me, and this is going to be my profit. Then you will enter the amount for your total investment, what you want to invest. So what I will do is I will be going with 50 USDT or maybe 100. Then you will click on create now and your bot will be created. It will help you with the trading on Bybit. It will help you automate your work and do the trading very easily, and you will be able to actually get more profit. There are other bots available on Bybit as well for futures, but this is the bot that is really famous for the spot trading on Bybit. So this is how the trading looks like here on this platform. I wanted to give you a beginner's tutorial and show you around the trading options available. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.